Hey beauties, it's Beauty here, also known as Shy Haze, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing this look that you guys see here today. And also, today's video is sponsored by Dossier. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys know I rave about Dossier all the time. It just smells so good. They are a affordable luxury brand. You get all your luxury scents at a very affordable price. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the Floriental Orange Blossom. This is inspired by Estee Lauder's Beautiful, so you do get a really nice Floriental orange smell, and it's definitely mixed with a lot of different notes that I really do like. Also, you guys know that I really do love citrus, so we're going to be doing a smell test today. It smells really, really good, so I do spray it right here. Ooh. And it's not too fruity if you don't like a fruity smell. Also, you guys already know I love to mix my scents. So I also do have Oriental Oak Moss. This is one of my favorite scents from Dossier. And also to let you guys know, this smells so good. To let you guys know, you could definitely go on their site. And you could also save money by using my code today. I'll have that link down below in the description box. And also to let you guys know, everything on their site is normally from $29 to $39. So imagine spending hundreds of dollars on perfumes when you could actually spend $29 or $39. And the scents last all day. So again, you guys, check out Dossier. I'll have all the information linked down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Hey beauties, it's Beauty here, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, we are doing a voiceover for this one. You know, I kind of like doing the voiceovers, and this voiceover is going to be in one take. So any background noise, anything out here, just a quick disclaimer. It's because I'm not going to keep recording this. So I already started off with moisturizing my face, and I 100% recommend you to do that. If you don't do anything else before starting your makeup, you want to make sure that you moisturize your face. That's definitely going to help your makeup from cracking. It's definitely going to keep you hydrated throughout the day, which is definitely something your skin really needs, honestly, after putting on some makeup. So I am going to put on my primer after I do my moisturizer, of course. And I'm using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This primer is so affordable, y'all, but it gives high quality results. And I really love that about the products that I've been using lately. I love saving money, and I definitely love a product that gives me a high quality feel. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm blended that out. And the primer, y'all, it keeps my makeup on all day. So I'm actually going to go in and do my foundation now. I'm using this NARS foundation in the shade Tahoe. And y'all, this is a little too light for me, and it's crazy because this used to always work really good on my skin, but I realized it's a little bit too yellow for me. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm also going to put on my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and that is in the shade Deep Chestnut. Once I put that on and blend these two together, y'all, the result is crazy. And I love that e.l.f. Camo Concealer because it's full coverage. And also the great thing about it, a little bit of it goes a super long way once you put that on. So these two products combined together, y'all, my face was sitting, okay? I looked the fuck good. So I'm going to go ahead, blend that out with a flat brush. And this is going to help me get that flawless skin. Y'all, you could also use a damp beauty blender or a damp beauty sponge, and that will definitely work the same as well. But sometimes using a sponge can take off some of the foundation, and I just wanted to have a full coverage. So I went in with the brush. And look at my face. Y'all see that glow already, and there's no highlighter or anything on me? That's crazy. So, y'all, I'm going in with my Derma Blend in the 43N. This is their Flawless Creator Drops. I've used this several times on my channel. This is just one of my go-to products because a little bit of this goes a long way as well. And I could put this on with the brush, or I could use the applicator it came with. And I love to put concealer under my eyes. I love to put it, I was trying to figure out, y'all, if I should put a slit in my eyebrow or not. But I was like, nah, not today. So I love to put this under my eyes to cover my dark circles, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, above my lip, and of course my chin. And I'm going to blend that in with this brush. Also, you guys see me use some Milani luminous setting spray as well. Yeah. this bronzer, this concealer, Beautiful Bronze, LA Girl Pro Concealer. I use this religiously, okay? I use this all the time. The shade is perfect for anyone of my skin tone, even people lighter than me if you really want a deeper bronze shade. But y'all, this Beautiful Bronze is it, honey. Like, it's giving. And I love to use the same brush I use to blend out my foundation, so that way this could blend in flawlessly, okay? That's what we're looking for. My favorite part of makeup is the face. Like, eyeshadow is okay, baby, but it is all about the face. Like, the skin, like, it's everything. So I go ahead, I blend out everything. Concealer I love to put in my cheekbones, forehead, bridge of my nose, and under my lip as well, just to give me more dimension. I'm going to set my face. Actually, I am setting my face with the Dermablend luminous powder, and I'll have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys. And I put this on my eyelid, my eyebrows, and under my eye. Everywhere else I also did put the Flawless Creator drops, just to make sure nothing creased throughout the day. Y'all, this powder, y'all, I used to think that it gave me flashback after a while, but now using this powder again, y'all, I'm in love. I don't know if it's because of the way I did my face. I don't know if it's because I used less and I applied it with a brush instead of a sponge. But y'all, this powder, if it's anything about Dermablend, they're going to get your face together, baby. And I'm also going to put some of this powder underneath my contour, just to give my face some more shape and to really crisp it out, since my face is round. Now it's time to actually set the contour or the bronzer that we actually did. I'm going to be using this palette, and I'm going to be using the two bottom darkest shades to really set that Beautiful Bronze from LA Girl. So once we do that, we could go ahead and we'll be doing the next step, which is eyebrows. And y'all, eyebrows is one of my favorite things to do, especially since it takes me little to no time to put on. Look at that. Look how quick my eyebrows are going to be done. It's crazy. I used to go ahead. I used to use pomades, gel liners, everything for my eyebrows. But once I started using this Benefit pencil, I was like, bro, that's it. I don't have to do much. So I put it on. I start with the bottom of my eyebrow, and then I just fluff it out with a spoolie on the other side. So simple. And I'm going to clean up my eyebrows with this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I believe this is in the shade Caramel. This concealer is really the one, y'all. If you really want a thick concealer that is more on the luxury side or more on the expensive side, you could definitely use this NARS concealer. But all these products I'm using is a mix between really affordable and also a mix between higher end products. But you guys could always find dupes, or if you guys want to see dupes, I could definitely do a video on that as well. So I'm starting off with this darkest shade, the darker brown you guys seen in the palette. And I'm going to be using that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm trying not to bring the darker colors in the crease or in the middle of my eye, because I actually want my eyes to look pretty open. So we're going to go in with that orange shade and actually put that on top of the brown we just laid down and blend that out, just to add a little bit of transition. So now I'm going in with this lighter brown that you guys see. And this brown is really close to my skin tone, but just a little bit deeper. And we're going to place that on the inner corner, going to the center of the lid. Yeah. I'm going with this darker shade as well. And we're going to put that right on the corner as if it is a liner. And just diffuse that really quick, so that way it looks like we're adding more dimension. And this eye was just so simple, y'all. Like, really simple. Underneath my eye, I'm just going in with the same first two colors that I actually put in, and it's going to really give and bring the whole look together. And I really love that about Juvia's Place. Is Juvia's Place? Yeah, that's the palette I'm using. So I really do love that about their products. It's really pigmented, so you don't have to use a lot. And as you guys can see, I'm using dark colors to little to no fallout. Like what? Also, would this be a deep beauty forever video if I didn't use my Morphe 3502 palette? No, it would not be one of my videos if I didn't use it. I absolutely love this palette. I use it for blush, I use it for contour, I use it for eyeshadow, I use it for highlighter, I use it for everything. thing. This is a multi-use palette for me. I definitely do recommend it. I actually need to buy 2 more of these because I be running through these palettes, so I actually need to get 2 more. For highlighter, I'm using my Benefit Cookie highlighter. This is the one right here, y'all. Look at that. Look how pigmented that is. And even when I turn my face, it's still subtle, so you're not really getting like disco ball kind of vibes. You're getting something that's really, really cute, really subtle, but it also definitely adds that pop and that shine to your skin. So I'm putting this above my contour, above my blush. I'm putting it on my on the bridge of my nose, of course my Cupid's bow, and my chin, my eyebrows. Y'all, I was just hitting everywhere on my face with this product. And I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Y'all, Morphe, my favorite brands I use had to be Morphe and Dermablend for this. Look how good I look. Not to sound vain, but baby, look how good I look. The fuck good. Alright, so I'm going in and I'm going to be using this darker liquid lipstick. If you guys need to know what this liquid lipstick is, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. And I always talk about this liquid lip. I did get it from a startup brand. Really good, really pigmented. Definitely does the job. And if you guys need to know more about this product, I'll have it on my Instagram as well, which is at @DBeautyForever. So I'm going to be placing this and using this as a lip liner. It's just a perfect brown for my skin tone. And I'm going in with, yeah, I have not used this color in a while. And this is Cheekies by NYX. This is their lip lingerie. Y'all, I forgot how much I loved it. It's so bright, but when it mixed with that first liquid lip I put on, the perfect combo. And you could wear this matte, or you can actually wear it glossy. If you know me, if you're not a stranger to my channel, I love a glossy lip. So I'm going to be going in with my Kylie lip gloss. This one's actually discontinued, but y'all, this is the whole look, baby. This is the whole look. Beautiful. So don't forget to shop Dossier, and then don't forget to check me out at OhdeeDripp.